Your choice of luggage can make or break your travel experience. In this video, we're going to break down not one, but two Level 8 hardshell 20-inch carry-ons, comparing the qualities of each to see which is best. And I don't mean sitting at my desk with glamour shots of me playing with the zippers or spinning the wheels.
No, we're putting these cases through real-world scenarios as we traveled to Portland, Maine for 5 days, with only one carry-on bag each, to answer two questions. Can we pack only the essentials to survive a week in the Northeast? And are these Level 8 carry-on cases worth the money?
The two cases we're reviewing are the Luminous Textured and the Grace Expandable. Each of them are roughly the same size, with the Grace being about 1/4 to 1/2 inch larger in 2 of the 3 dimensions when not expanded. More on that later, because our very first question is if these will fit in the luggage cages at the airport.
Checking against 3 of the biggest airlines, we tested the cases in United, American, and Delta. The Luminous Textured fit in all of them, but the Grace Expandable did not. However, to be fair, that was because we were testing it while it was expanded, which added a couple inches. Regardless though, they both fit in the overhead bins on the plane.
But what about durability? Can these polycarbonate shells withstand real-world wear and tear? What about some not-so-real-world scenarios? And what about the 8 rubber-covered 360-degree silent spinner wheels? Are they really that quiet? For full transparency, Level 8 did send us these bags to review, but this is not a paid ad. We will be giving our honest feedback, good or bad. Just got to Portland, and now we gotta go get some lobster rolls. The lobster rolls we tasted varied in quality, and we tried quite a few. So many, in fact, that they put us to work to catch more. But we're not here to talk food, are we?
Let's compare the features of each carry-on.
So let's talk differences between these, such as how the Luminous is 7.7 pounds and the Grace is closer to 9. The Luminous starts with 38 liters of storage space compared to the Grace with only 36. But the Grace Expandable lives up to its name, as the storage capacity can be increased to 42 liters to fit all the souvenirs you get on your trip. In addition, the Grace has this front compartment that allows quick access to important items and can fit laptops up to 15.6 inches. This can be extremely useful at security checkpoints.
Then there's the shell material.
The Luminous has a diamond pattern that was engineered to minimize visible scratches, keeping it looking newer, longer. And the Grace is designed more with impact resistance in mind.
But unless you plan on roughing up your carry-on like we did, how much does the exterior even matter?
Well, our Portland trip is done. Now it's time to go home and answer those two questions.
With both cases being around the same price, with $150 for the Grace Expandable and $170 for the Luminous Textured at the time of this video, it really comes down to whether you prefer style or function. Now when it comes to looks and style, it's Luminous all day. Regardless of the color you choose, in my opinion, it's clearly the better looking suitcase. But the Grace is all about function, with extra storage for easy access to important items. So what's most important to you?
I think I'll take this one.
That actually works for me because I prefer this one anyway. Regardless of which you would choose, we liked both of these cases, and if you want to get one for yourself, you can find links to both of them in the video description. Even though we liked them both and would purchase them ourselves, that doesn't mean there wasn't something I didn't like about them. My main issue was with the zippers. With other luggage that I've had, it's very easy to clip the zipper in. But with the way these are designed, you have to angle the zippers just right to get them to clip in. In the end, that's a minor annoyance, but it was worth mentioning. So which one would you purchase?
Wait, we almost forgot to tell you how the challenge went.
We discovered that there's so much we normally pack that we don't really need. So you can absolutely spend a week vacation with only a Level 8 carry-on. Just be sure to pack only the essentials and be open to the idea of using hotel laundry services if needed. But if you want to see more of our trip to Portland, Maine, we'll be releasing those videos over the coming weeks. So be sure to subscribe. Catch you next time.